Greetings of the day, Professor. This video demonstrates the code added to perform experiment 2 and demonstration of experiment 2. In util.asm, push link register and pop link register has been added. In led.asm, export green LED on and export green LED off has been added to export these subroutines. In the green LED subroutine, R2 value is set with 1, and in green LED off subroutine, R2 value is set to 0. So that is when the green light turns on, R2 value is going to be changed to 1, and when the green light is off, R2 value is going to change to 0. In the main.asm, import functions have been added for green LED on, green LED off, and is left switch pressed subroutines. In the main assembly function, the delay counter has been added to 1 second for both blue light on and blue light off conditions, and R2 value has been set to the value of green LED, that is 0. A branch code to move to the main loop has been added in the same. In the main loop, the first branch is to check whether the left switch is pressed, which sets the R10 value to 1 if the left switch is pressed. So comparing the R10 value to 1, if the R10 value is less than 1, then delay 1 second subroutine is going to be executed. Otherwise, the branch is going to go on to delay 0.1 seconds. Delay 1 second is going to toggle the green LED at the rate of 1 second using the subroutine of time green LED toggle, and the value of R9 again here has been set to 1 second. And delay 0.1 second runs the subroutine of time green LED where the R9 value has been set to 1 second, 0.1 second. In the green LED toggle subroutine, the value of R2 is compared to 0. If the value of R2 is less than or equal to 0, then the green LED on subroutine is going to be executed. Otherwise, green LED off subroutine is going to be executed. And this is the time green LED toggle subroutine.